Welcome to Abbasia Town, a bustling community in the Rahim Yar Khan district of Punjab, Pakistan. This town, known for its organized streets and suburban feel, offers a unique blend of urban living and natural beauty. Abbasia Town stands as a testament to the harmonious coexistence of modern life and the enduring allure of the natural world. Join me as we explore the unique character of Abbasia Town. Abbasia Town's location in Punjab places it within a region renowned for its agricultural richness. The town's outskirts seamlessly blend into the vast fertile plains that have earned Punjab the title of Pakistan's breadbasket. This proximity to nature is a defining feature of life in Abbasia Town, where residents enjoy the benefits of both urban conveniences and the tranquility of the countryside. Abbasia Town is a place where life moves at a comfortable pace. Nestled amidst lush greenery and scenic landscapes, it offers a tranquil environment that is perfect for families and individuals alike. The town's layout is thoughtfully designed to ensure that every resident has easy access to essential services and recreational facilities. The town is designed to cater to the needs of its residents, with a focus on creating a harmonious balance between modern living and natural beauty. Wide, tree-lined streets and well-maintained parks provide ample space for outdoor activities and relaxation. Offering a range of amenities that enhance their quality of life, Abbasia Town boasts numerous parks, playgrounds and community centres where residents can gather, socialise and engage in various activities. These spaces are designed to foster a strong sense of community and belonging. Education is highly valued in Abbasia Town, and there are several schools dedicated to providing quality education to the town's younger generation. These institutions are not just places of learning but also serve as community hubs where children can develop their social skills and build lifelong friendships. These schools are equipped with modern facilities and are staffed by dedicated teachers who are committed to nurturing the intellectual and personal growth of their students. The emphasis on education ensures that every child has the opportunity to reach their full potential. The people of Abbasia Town are deeply connected to their faith. Religious and cultural events are an integral part of community life, bringing people together to celebrate and uphold their traditions. Mosques with their elegant minarets dot the townscape, serving as centers of worship and community gatherings. These beautiful structures are not only places of spiritual solace, but also venues for social interaction and communal support. The melodious calls to prayer echo through the streets, creating a sense of peace and spirituality that permeates daily life. This harmonious blend of the spiritual and the everyday is a defining feature of Abbasia Town. For those seeking recreation and a chance to engage in physical activity, the Abbasia Sports Complex is a popular destination. It offers a variety of sports facilities, including tennis courts, swimming pools and fitness centers, ensuring that residents have ample opportunities to stay active and healthy. The complex is a hub of energy and enthusiasm where people of all ages come together to enjoy their favorite sports and activities. Abbasia Town's real estate market reflects the town's commitment to providing modern and comfortable living spaces for its residents. One of the most sought-after housing options in Abbasia Town is the 5 to 7 Mala house. These houses are designed to accommodate families of various sizes and offer a perfect balance of space and functionality. Modern architecture and thoughtful layouts characterize these homes, ensuring that residents can enjoy a comfortable and stylish lifestyle. The houses often feature contemporary designs with clean lines and large windows that allow natural light to flood the interiors. Many homes boast private gardens, providing residents with a tranquil outdoor space to relax and connect with nature. The availability of such modern and well-designed housing options makes Abbasia Town an attractive destination for those seeking a peaceful and fulfilling lifestyle. While Abbasia Town itself may have limited natural features within its boundaries, stepping outside the town reveals a different story. Abbasia Town is located in the heart of Punjab, a region renowned for its fertile plains and agricultural abundance. The town's outskirts seamlessly transition into a vast expanse of greenery, where fields of wheat, cotton and other crops stretch as far as the eye can see. This proximity to nature is a source of pride for the residents of Abbasia Town. Many families have roots in agriculture, and the connection to the land runs deep in their veins. The sight of farmers tending to their fields, their hands working the soil, is a testament to the enduring relationship between humans and nature that defines this region. Section 5. The life-giving Abbasia Canal. Flowing through the outskirts of Abbasia Town is the Abbasia Canal, a lifeline for the region's agriculture. This canal is not just a waterway, it is a vital artery that breathes life into the surrounding lands, ensuring that the fields remain lush and productive. This canal, a testament to human ingenuity, carries water from the mighty Indus River to irrigate the vast farmlands of Punjab. The engineering marvel behind its construction has allowed it to channel water efficiently, making it possible to cultivate crops even in the driest seasons. The Abbasia Canal is not just a source of water, it is the lifeblood of the region, sustaining crops, livestock and livelihoods. Farmers depend on its steady flow to grow wheat, rice and a variety of vegetables, which in turn feed the local communities and markets. The canal's presence has transformed the landscape, turning arid lands into fertile fields that produce an abundance of crops. This transformation has not only boosted agricultural productivity, but has also brought economic prosperity to the region. The Abbasia Canal is a source of life and prosperity for Abbasia Town and its surrounding areas. The town has flourished, with new businesses and markets emerging, all thanks to the reliable water supply from the canal. The canal's constant flow ensures a steady supply of water, enabling farmers to cultivate their crops throughout the year. This year-round irrigation capability is crucial for maintaining the agricultural cycle and ensuring food security for the region. The canal's impact extends beyond agriculture. It supports a range of activities from fishing to small-scale industries, all of which contribute to the local economy. It plays a crucial role in supporting the local ecosystem, providing a habitat for a variety of fish, birds, and other aquatic life. The canal's waters create a thriving environment where biodiversity can flourish, making it an essential part of the natural landscape. Section 6. Abbasia Game Reserve, a sanctuary for wildlife. Not far from Abbasia Town lies a hidden gem of biodiversity, the Abbasia Game Reserve. This protected area stands as a testament to the importance of conservation efforts in preserving Pakistan's natural heritage. The Abbasia Game Reserve is home to a diverse range of flora and fauna, making it a haven for nature enthusiasts and wildlife lovers. Within the reserve's boundaries, one can find a variety of animals, including the graceful Chinkara gazelle, the elusive desert fox, and the majestic nilgai, the largest Asian antelope. The reserve's diverse habitats, ranging from grasslands to scrublands, provide shelter and sustenance to a wide array of bird species, making it a paradise for birdwatchers. Section 7. Exploring nature's wonders from zoo to desert. For those seeking to connect with nature and wildlife beyond Abbasia Town, the region offers several attractions that are sure to captivate visitors of all ages. Whether you're a nature enthusiast, an adventure seeker, or simply looking for a peaceful retreat, this area has something special to offer. The lush parks and green areas provide a serene environment for picnics, leisurely walks, and hiking adventures. Families can enjoy quality time together while exploring the natural beauty that surrounds them. One such destination is the Rahim Yar Khan Zoo, home to a diverse collection of animals from around the world. This zoo is not just a place to see animals, it's an educational experience that brings people closer to wildlife. Visitors can observe majestic lions, playful monkeys, and a variety of exotic birds, all within a well-maintained and safe environment. The zoo's commitment to conservation and education makes it a must-visit for anyone interested in learning more about the animal kingdom. The zoo provides a wonderful opportunity for families and individuals to learn about different species and appreciate the importance of wildlife conservation. Informational plaques and interactive sessions with zookeepers offer deeper insights into the lives of the animals. Children in particular find joy in these educational encounters, making the zoo a perfect blend of fun and learning. Families can capture memorable moments with the animals, creating lasting memories of their visit. Venturing further afield, one encounters the awe-inspiring Cholistan Desert, a vast expanse of sand dunes, scrublands and seasonal lakes. This desert landscape is a stark contrast to the lush greenery of Abbasia Town, offering a different kind of natural beauty. The endless sand dunes under the clear sky create a mesmerizing view that is both tranquil and humbling. The seasonal lakes add a touch of surprise to the arid environment, attracting various forms of wildlife and adding to the desert's unique charm. This desert, steeped in history and folklore, offers a unique and unforgettable experience. The Cholistan Desert is not just about its natural beauty, it's also a treasure trove of historical and cultural significance. Ancient ruins and cultural artifacts scattered across the desert tell stories of civilizations long gone. Exploring these remnants provides a glimpse into the rich history that has shaped the region. The panoramic views of the expansive desert are a sight to behold, especially during sunrise and sunset. Visitors can embark on thrilling desert safaris, witness the mesmerizing beauty of the desert night sky, and immerse themselves in the rich cultural heritage of the Cholistan Desert. Camel rides offer an authentic way to explore the vast landscape, while the night sky, free from light pollution, reveals a breathtaking display of stars. Traditional cultural performances add to the immersive experience, showcasing the vibrant heritage of the local communities. Whether you're seeking adventure or cultural enrichment, the Cholistan Desert promises an experience like no other. Section 8, Abbasia Town, where urban life meets nature. Abbasia Town stands as a shining example of a community that has successfully integrated urban living with the preservation of its natural surroundings. The town's residents take pride in their connection to the land, recognizing the importance of preserving the delicate balance between human progress and environmental sustainability. Abbasia Town serves as a reminder that progress and conservation can go hand in hand. By embracing its natural heritage and promoting sustainable practices, Abbasia Town is creating a legacy for future generations. The town's commitment to preserving its natural environment serves as an inspiration to other communities in Pakistan and beyond. Section 9. Conclusion: a town embraced by nature. As we conclude our journey through Abbasia Town, one thing is clear: this town is a testament to the enduring bond between humans and the natural world. From its location amidst the fertile plains of Punjab to its proximity to the life-giving Abbasia Canal and the biodiversity haven of the Abbasia Game Reserve, nature is an integral part of life in Abbasia Town. The town's residents have embraced this connection, creating a community that values both urban amenities and the preservation of its natural heritage. As Abbasia Town continues to grow and thrive, it serves as a beacon of hope, demonstrating that progress and conservation can go hand in hand, creating a brighter and more sustainable future for all.